Hi everyone, hope you're doing absolutely awesome. These are going to be my initial impressions of the Hogue Deka. This particular colorway in the red, white, and blue G10 is a Smoky Mountain Knife Works exclusive. And as usual, I paid for this with my own money. So we have a blade length of 3.25 inches and a weight of 2.6 ounces or 75 grams. Now, Hogue on their website claimed that this knife weighs 2.3 ounces, so the 2.6 ounces that I get is quite a bit heavier than their claimed weight, and I don't think my scale is off. The action of the knife is buttery smooth out of the box, so kind of like a very well worn-in Benchmade. The Deka is just about the same size as the Bug Out. This is a counterfeit Bug Out, by the way, but the Deka is a bit thicker than the Bug Out. And also the weight of the Deka is about 0.8 ounces heavier than that of the Bug Out. The ergonomics of the knife are decent. I guess I prefer the more neutral handle shape of the Bug Out though. The Deka has this finger choil here with this hump here, and sometimes my middle finger ends up on top of that ridge there. But it's okay. The heel of the blade on the Deka is farther away from your index finger than the comparable distance on the Bug Out, so in that aspect I prefer the Bug Out. As you may have noticed, the handle of the Deka has a lot of screws, and a lot of them are sticking up above the surface of the G10. I don't quite understand that. That seems sloppy to me, and it makes the knife feel cheap to have these screws sticking up above the handle. The secondary bevel appears to get wider near the tip on both sides of the blade, though I'm not sure how much of that is just some extra polishing. You can see it's wider towards the tip there. The stock pocket clip is not deep carry, but is unobtrusive and works well. I would prefer it without the Hogue branding though. So these have been my initial impressions of the Hogue Deka. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, I'd love to hear from you. Also, if you could subscribe, like, and share, I'd really appreciate it. I'd like to thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye now.